Okay, so this is in Chinese we call it 丝瓜. Okay. So Jay, do you see any bees over here? No,
Not
right?
really.
No, right? Because the real one is behind you. Asian honeybee nest.
Alright, extra pasta, extra alcohol for everyone.
How do you guys enjoy your little spot? Like how we all get to try.
Right. And then this one is the mushroom.
Yes, this is the mushroom.
Okay.
Quite the pen will have. Everything.
You look so nervous.
Train.
You guys already done.
Yeah, finished. Starting already.
I'm not finished yet.
No.
Oh,
Okay. Never shit.
Oh no!
There goes my ring.
It's okay.
Thank you. Very good. Okay. Very well. The cakes are also neat. Very good.
Yay!
Your sauce. Squeeze a bit.
More.
More.
Yeah, more.
Okay, that way.
Alright.
So many things I want to try.
What's happening in you?
So you guys born and raised here? You guys born and raised here? Yeah.
From the second to second.
No.
Oh, no, you don't know. Okay,
I didn't know that.
Let's be honest,
So scared of me. Where did he go?
What they do is to straight line, very strong.
We're supposed to be break dance to our house. It's a program, not for normal people. They say they are normal, but